Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about data recovery. It's been an interesting week for us. We've actually had a number of data recovery jobs that have come in. This particular one had 3 2 terabyte drives running on a RAID 0 or dynamic RAID. What that means is it's taken 3 2 terabyte drives and made them into one. And when the one drive failed, that basically meant that the data was inaccessible. We're running data recovery. It's been running for a while. We're sitting at about 46%. Looks like we are going to be able to get the data, but obviously there's downtime during that process. So understanding what type of RAID is very important. We had another customer had an external hard drive that was actually dropped, and when the drive was dropped, obviously the drive was not accessible. We were able to get it spinning up, and we're running the data recovery on the drive that we've removed from the external enclosure, and that's still taking a while. So keeping your data in one place is not a good idea. It should always be in 2 or 3 different places. We also had an HP X360 laptop that came in, and understanding what's inside your laptop is important. You know, people get a laptop and they think, well, they can move around with it, but unless it has a solid state drive, inside this, it's got a regular spinning drive that's spinning at either 5,400 or 7,200 times per minute. A little bit of vibration, a little bit of movement, and that hard drive is going to start to fail. So it's extremely important to make sure that if you don't have a SSD or solid state drive, that you keep it on a desk, you shut it down fully, wait for the screen to go off, and then close the lid. There was a lot of grinding coming from this one. We had to put in a solid state drive, but unfortunately that had to go to our partner in Austin to a clean room data recovery. That data recovery is going to be in the region of $1,000 to $1,200 if they can get their data. This was another USB drive. That company was storing videos and pictures that they were selling to their customers. So it was important for their business. But instead of using a NAS drive with 2 hard drives backed up on a RAID system, using RAID 1 where the drives are mirrored, they were just using an inexpensive 4 terabyte USB drive. Well, what happened? Those are not great for continuously storing videos on. Ultimately it failed. They kept plugging it in and out, and then it stopped working. We ran data recovery. We were able to get the data back on a normal drive, but it's extremely important. If that data is important to you or your business, you need to have it backed up in multiple places. If you've got a RAID system, you need to understand how that RAID system works. And if you're not sure what all of that means, come on into Impress Computers and we will get you fixed up. Give us a call, 281-647-9977.